Today we'll be talking about the truth about why people buy. This can be, your product, your service, your music. At the core, it's all the same, and that's what we will be talking about today. Alright guys, so the truth about why people buy your music. Alright, first of all, I want to say these two things. If you're not making any money with music, it's because you're not connecting with your fans in a strong enough way. And then second, I want to say most of the time it's not what you say, it's how you say it. If you guys apply these two things to your business, it will dramatically increase your revenue. Let's talk about why people will support you. Your product, your music, your service, whatever it is. Alright, so A, you give them a voice. B, you make them feel part of something. C, you provide a remedy for pain. You make people feel good and forget about what they are currently going through. That is why they're buying from you. Alright, so the two categories of music fans. Number one, music lovers. Number two, casual listeners. So a music lover, they are really, really into music. They live and breathe it. They shop at niche music stores. They would drive 200 miles to go see a good show. Casual listeners, they like music but mainly as background noise. And they mainly purchase or listen to radio hits. That is the difference between number one and number two. Alright guys, I want to leave you guys with one last tip. So take out your phone on your notes or take out a notepad and write this down because it's really important. So know what you are selling. For example, when you're buying something, you don't buy it just because you want to buy it. There's a reason behind it. Same thing for your fans or customers. Alright, so an example is can be when you're buying, you're either buying status, ease, sex appeal, or an ego boost, or it could be all of the above. This is the truth about why people buy and why you buy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give us a like and subscribe.